Yes, guys, I'm back with another review. Well, actually, another unboxing and review on Pushup Board. Yeah, so I saw this Pushup Board on Amazon, and I decided to grab it and see what it's all about. That's not what I was expecting, but hey, let's see. I think this is what we actually want. So here we go. Oops. That's it. Okay. Put that over there. Put this one here. And what do we have here? Looks like oh, it's like a glove for your hands. Okay. Let's see. And so I guess so you get a chart with basic info on it, I guess, assembly, how to assemble it, and I guess different results that you'll get. There you go. I have no idea what this is yet, but okay. Oops. Open it up. Here are your handles. They're plastic, but sturdy. Yeah, I think they're strong enough. Of course, there's I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a little damage right there. Nothing crazy, but yeah. So that's what it looks like. Now, let's get this out of the way. Oops. Now, that's the entire board with the different angles and all of that. Here it shows color for different areas of your body. So blue is for chest, and the red is for your shoulders, and the yellow is for your back. Green, triceps. So there you have it, guys, just like that. You lay it out, and you just go in here like that, and then you, of course, you know, do your thing. So yeah, I ordered this last night, and got the confirmation of shipping shortly after, like probably an hour or two after that, and it showed up today. Not even sure what time it is right now, but let me see. It's, sorry about that. Yeah, I was just checking the time on the phone. So it's 11:30 on a Sunday morning, and I ordered this Saturday night. So very, very, very quick shipping, guys. Got here faster than I expected, and I'm gonna be testing it out. As soon as I get it sanitized and cleaned up, then I'll be testing it out. So I'll probably make a video of me using it, but it's pretty straightforward. Pretty sure you guys already figured it out. So yeah, I'll see you in the next. Oh yeah, so I started opening this box. I started opening this box because I thought it was like, you know, like part with that piece and maybe something else is in this one, but this is actually another order that I got that I wasn't expecting until about the 19th or the 17th, it said, but yeah, turned up today. So I'll be doing, you know what? I'll probably just do this one right now. So let's get this out of the way. And of course, as you guys seen, we stay with the push-up board. Anyways, these are the rest of my car detailing stuff that I got from Amazon. As you can see, the one drill brush, there's a second. I think this is 1/4 inch. I don't know, but anyways, it fits in the drill. Yeah, different colors, and then there's, wait a minute, is there one missing? And then there's the third one, and then there's 2 smaller ones. Actually 3 smaller ones. And then this big guy. Oops. But yeah, I don't know. For some reason I thought I got the longer one, that would be like about out here somewhere. But I don't remember. I'll have to check the order again, but yeah. So that one. And wow. Can you guys see that? Yeah, there you go. And of course, so I guess, oh, now I see what's going on here. So this is an extension for this. So there you go. Now it's longer, because that's what I was thinking. It showed me, I'm pretty sure there was a longer one. But yeah, so there's extras here. There's 2 pieces in here. Oh, and also there's a bigger one. Yeah, so, and then three, 6, 9, 12. And these are thicker up here. So good stuff. Good stuff. And of course, last but not least, of course, we're just happy that you're happy. If you don't know how to express your newfound joy, we've got a few suggestions. Tell your friends and family. Share your experience by writing a review on Amazon. not happy, our friendly customer service team will work hard to put a smile back on your face. Please tell us your order number and your problems by this email, and they provide their links, and yeah, and there you go, everything that comes with it. Boom. So again, guys, there you have it, another unboxing and review. I'll be doing some stuff with these like I mentioned in previous video. I'll be telling you guys what I'm up to here with these in coming videos, and yeah, that's it. I'll be doing a review. I'll be using the push-up board. I'll probably make some videos for you guys, I'm not sure, but more videos are coming, and yeah, I'll just keep making contents, and leave your suggestions. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'm about to clean these up, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.